on?
Yeah,
Am I recording?
Did you press it with your thumb?
I'm recording. That was actually sick.
Alright. Fuck!
I've never worked out so much in my life. That's not so low. Last time I came here, I couldn't even put it back on the rack, but now I can because I'm tall. Yeah, definitely. Do you rate it? I kind of love it. I kind of love it. That is sick.
Expensive earrings.
Yeah, and then you look at my pimp ring. Whoa.
Then
Yeah.
off my trousers.
Imagine I did it with my water. Yeah.
Are you ready? Watch this. Yeah, but you meant to drink at the bar. I know it is.
How is it recording? Maybe it's because I flipped it. Let me flip it back. Yeah, see, it's because I flipped it. I did actually. Classic big man here in the shop today. Let's see what this guy's going to buy. Oh, we gotta watch out. We don't want him hurting us. We gotta stay back. Selfie. Going with the classic icon. Instant, not because, but barbecue. Pretty lame. Lilia's gone for some Oreos or whatever that is. Oh, and that's my mum's favourite chocolate. Again. Oh, I didn't even. Oh no, I did get it. Man, that was I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Oh, I got an Oreo. Better than myself. You ready, Milo? For 62p, you made a deal with me. Because my last string was too tight and I couldn't get it off.